Okay, I bought this from Harbor Freight. This is the heavy duty bench grinder pedestal. Everybody said that it's wobbly and you need to make some holes so you can put bolts and washers in there. Let's open her up and see if it's really that crappy or not. Okay, it looks new. Let's see what it says here. It says weighs 29 pounds, 33.5 inches high. The table is 11 by 10 inches. Hope you guys can see good. Okay, that's the top plate. Got a big whammy right there. I'll have to cover with some black paint so it doesn't rust. I mean, the paint is poor quality. See this here? That's there. Got all mangled and stuff. Cardboard's not dented, so that just means poor quality control. Let's see here, big whammy. It's heavy. Yeah, so this basically just pushes in here. And pushes up against this. I'm not a fan of that. So I can see why people have drilled through this. I mean, I'm only going to use my little buffing wheel. I don't have a heavy-duty grinder or anything, so it might be okay, but I would like this to be attached properly. And there's only one? I guess so. Now, I don't see how this heavy thing could hold just by one screw. So maybe I have to get some kind of self-tapping. And the threaded holes are not very good. Let's see. Two legs in the back, maybe? Yeah. What the heck? Wow. Why do they have this so... Let me show you. Look at how far away this is. This must make all the machinists in this whole world go absolutely crazy. Look at that. You expect the screw to stick out and hold it just with the little tip of the screw? I mean, that's how much play is in it. Wow. Ah, okay. Guess you gotta stick the screws all out at the same time. So it's even. I mean, well, you know, why do they have a little tiny hole here? They should have these so they go all the way through. Oh, that's wobbly too. What a crappy thing they have. Oh, look at that. It's kind of frustrating. And they want you to hang this heavy thing off that. I don't know. I don't know how that would hold it up with just a little tiny screw there. Doesn't feel level. Yeah. Well, let me move it over here. Well, I guess it's going to be sturdy enough. Let me see if I have any bolts. Ooh. Yeah, it doesn't get in the way. Perfect height. All right. Let me show you. If I have to drill those out, I will. Down the road if they start getting wobbly. but this seems to be great. There's no wobble in the machine. I know it's only a 6-inch buffer, so you're really not pushing down on it very hard, but it's not wobbly. And I think it'll be great for the shop. Well, for $60, I think the stand is decent. It seems to hold the buffer, it doesn't shake. It doesn't seem to be wobbling at the bottom. If I need to drill those out and put some nuts and bolts in there, I will. I wouldn't mind having this hanging so I could put my polishing compound in here. But this is so heavy, and it's only being held on by one screw that's just one bolt that's just squeezed on this pipe. I'm not a big fan of that. So maybe I can get some kind of self-tapping screw and go through this. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. But I would recommend it. It does seem to be decent quality. And yeah, stick around for more content. Love you guys.